All right, what's up, guys? Anthony here, Special Analysis. Welcome to the video. We're going to talk about gold today. It was our setup this morning. This market trended beautifully. I'm not going to lie, as we got together this morning at 8 o'clock, it really looked like a pile of dog crap, all right? And when it looks like crap, you got to let it go. Now, we had news at 8:15 and more news at 8:30. Then we were in the clear until the opening bell, followed by 9:45 news. So we knew we had Fed statements this afternoon, drawing a blank here. We weren't really concerned about that. We knew that the market was likely to slow down into 2 o'clock, but we were done trading before then. So let me just kind of walk you through how this all transpired, because it really set up very, very nicely. So here's that 8:15 news, ADP data. Here's that 8:30 news, okay? I don't trade the news. I advise my clients to step away from the market during news releases. I tell them if we're in a position prior to a news release, make sure you got your stop tightened up or you've taken profit or consider exiting. Trading the news is an art of its own. It's not for the faint of heart. Can it be helpful? Absolutely. You got to have a big stomach and a big account to kind of deal with it. So most of my traders are focused on perfection, right? Like that's what they come to trade with me for. They come to trade with me because they are looking to strategically approach the market, not throw shit at the wall and see what sticks. So here it is. Let me just show it to you. I'll walk you right through it. We are in this congestion. We have two news releases. We hold this prior high really beautifully, and we create this support zone here. Okay, we know we have to overcome the high of this candle because we know there was a crap load of selling there. It is what it is, right? So when this transpired, we saw this all set up. Our fast-moving averages are all in sync. We're above both of our VWAPs. We have buying volume coming into the market. Our 15-minute MACD is telling us, hey, there's a good chance that the higher time frame trend is going to continue higher. Our 3-minute modified MACD also tells us, hey, there's a pretty good chance that the market's going to head higher from here. So I have multiple confluence of time frame telling me, hey, there's a better than not chance that price could continue to rally. So with that, I just look for the tight price action. I am a tight price action trader. I don't buy or sell on big candles. I don't, because big candles have a lot of emotion built in them. I am looking to get in the market before the big candles, right? And I do that in a very strategic way, and I teach my clients to do it in a very strategic way. Little risk, big reward. That is how you become a profitable trader. I don't care what anybody says, right? So we knew from this level here that if gold continued to rally, we had a target here. Now, I plot every level that they could possibly have to be concerned about for them, and I do that so that there's never a question of why did the market stop randomly, right? There's always a reason, and you can find that reason by looking left. So as much data that I can put on the screen for them, I do, so that they have a understanding of where they're likely to encounter some opposition. And that's exactly what happened. So we create this zone, buyers pop up, sellers push back down, buyers regain here. The nice thing was price action actually retested this zone, okay? The old buy at support, sell at resistance. If you can buy at support while you're trying to catch a rally, I mean, guys, it just sweetens the deal. So from somewhere in this level, you can see we even revisited again over here. So plenty of opportunity to get a really great entry here. So from here, we rally first into this level here. So puts us there right at the opening bell. That's 54 ticks. So $540 per contract. Not so terrible. We then now push into this level right here. Pay yourself more, right? Once you start paying yourself, your stop should be at break even. Pay yourself, protect yourself. That's how you survive in this business. Another 99 ticks. We have another level up here, 125 ticks. Another one slightly above, 135 ticks. Another level up here at 153 ticks. And the high of the day, double tops, right here on a short-term basis is 165 ticks from that support zone. Price never went against the support zone, okay? So the objection is, in an uptrend, I identify support for them so that they know that as long as this area holds, price should continue to rally. Granted, all our momentum indicators and supporting volume exists. Okay? Low risk, high probability. We want to risk a small amount. We were basically risking this support zone here. Even if you went to the bottom of this candle, you were risking 12 or 15 ticks, depending on where you entered. Okay? Minuscule compared to your first profit taking at 55 ticks. Right? Small risk, big reward. Right? Even if we hit this resistance level and the market crapped the bed, we still had a really great multiple of risk reward. If you don't understand risk reward, you'd have no business trading. That simple. Sorry, I'm not trying to be disrespectful, but if you have no understanding of actual money management when it comes to trading, you have no business trading. You are gambling. So little risk, big reward, nice support zone, above prior resistance, resistance becomes support, and we're off to the races, guys. So if you're trading the NASDAQ, the S&P, crude oil, or gold, and you want use of all my analysis, my interpretation, liquidity, everything that you need to interpret all four of those markets, send me an email. We'll have a conversation. All right? Trading is not for the faint of heart. If you are a wishy-washy kind of person, please don't email me. Okay? If you understand the very foundational components of trading, and you're now looking to go from here to here, that is my client. Not somebody who has a dream that thinks they're going to get rich quick because they watch some guy on YouTube jump up and down like a moron. That's not my client. Okay? There's plenty of free discords out there for you. So if you could be my client, send me an email. We'll have a conversation. If this is fitting, we'll get you up and running. God bless, guys. Thanks for your time.